Hey everyone, this is me, Beauty's owner. Got a nice little video here of Beauty and her arch nemesis, Julius. Hates everyone, especially Beauty. That's okay. Still love you. Turn around, Beauty. Turn around. Good girl. Say hello to everyone. Want to shake my hand? Good girl. Show me your wings. Good girl. Want to fluff with them? Fluff, fluff. Fluff? Hmm? Come on, puff up. Puff up. Show them what you got. Fluff, fluff. Good girl. What's he complaining about now? Always messing with you. Why is he always messing with you? Step up. Let's get you out of there. Good girl. Where are you going? Why is she even on your cage? I know, you saw that? She bit you. No, Julius, that's mean. Why does he do that to you? I don't know. He's just bitter at the world. Back to you, beautiful. Say hello. Turn around. He's just jealous. Don't pay attention to Julius. Perch. Perch. Come on, come to your perch. Come on now. Come on to your perch. Good girl. Whoopsie daisy. Good girl. Good job. Want to do it again? Whoopsie daisy. Wings. Good girl. Upside down. Great job. Say bye, everyone.